Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR Magic8 Pro, and let me share with you how to set the gestures, I mean the navigation gestures, or set 3 buttons navigation. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find the option System and Updates. On the second position, we've got System Navigation, so just tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got our 2 available options from which we can choose. So first of all, let me focus on 3 keys. If you wish to set 3 keys, just tap on this option on the right, and your device will immediately apply the 3-button navigation. Here, you can also change the combinations. So you can reorder back button and the recents. You can choose the combination which is the most comfortable for you. Moreover, we can add also this icon to hide the navigation bar. You've got also the navigation dock, so if you wish, you can add the navigation dock to the screen. As you can see, it will simply allow you to quickly come back without the need to tap on this back option, but it's up to you whether you want to use it. Obviously, here you've got more gestures or more actions that you can do with navigation dock, not only the back action. So you can read that back. And here, circle to search, you can turn it on and off right here. If you wish to set the gestures, just tap on this option on the left, and here your device will ask you whether you'd like to go through the tutorial, and you can do it just by tapping on Start. I don't want to. And instead of the 3 buttons, we've got this line which is responsible for specific gestures. However, if you wish, we can hide it just by tapping on this switcher here to show or hide navigation bar. Here you've got also some additional options like swipe inwards twice to confirm, or Google Assistant, whether you wish to use it by using the specific gesture, swipe up from the bottom corners to access Google Assistant. You can try out gestures, so again, go through the tutorial. Again, navigation dock, which could be more useful, I believe, in the gestures, because you do not have a physical button for back, etc. So navigation dock is quite alright here. And again, circle to search whether you wish to use it or not. So now a quick tutorial of how to use the gestures. If you wish to come back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center. And if you can see this arrow, you can release the finger. Don't hold your finger for too long, because you will open this additional bar with icons, with options. So just a quick swipe from the left or from the right. If you wish to come back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and make sure that this motion is quick and short. So something like that. And if you wish to open the recents, repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center, but this time hold your finger somewhere here, like that. And here we've got the recents. Moreover, if you wish to quickly change between the apps, let me, for example, open settings. You do not have to open the recents and then try to find the app. All you have to do is to swipe your finger at the bottom from the left to the right, or from the right to the left, to quickly change between the apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.